Want to dominate mobile gaming in 2025 without draining your bank account? These budget phones pack killer specs, high refresh rates, epic batteries for under $500. Ready to level up cheap? Let's dive in. Hey gaming crew, mobile gaming's hotter than ever in 2025. But flagship phones, pricey. Today, we're rounding up the best budget phones for gamers, tested and trending on X. Let's roll. First up, the Poco X7 Pro. $300 and a beast. 120Hz AMO LED Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 and a 6000 mAh battery. Perfect for marathon sessions. X users say it runs Genshin Impact smooth as butter. Next, the OnePlus 12R, $499, but worth it. Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, 6.78-inch 120Hz display, and 5500 mAh juice. Flagship vibes on a budget. Last, the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. $400 with a 120Hz AMO LED and Exynos 1380. Not the fastest, but 4 years of updates keep it in the game. These champs deliver what gamers crave. Smooth screens, 90Hz or higher, solid chips, and batteries that last. Poco is a steal for casuals. OnePlus flexes for pros, and Samsung's got longevity. Expos rave about the X7 Pro's cooling, no lag, no sweat, while the 12R's brightness, 4500 nits, shines outdoors. Trade-offs? Cameras are meh, and no fancy triggers, but for the price, you're winning. Under $500, these phones crush it in 2025. Casual gamer? Poco X7 Pro. Big screen addict? OnePlus 12R. Future-proof fan? Galaxy A35. No $1,000 flagships needed. Save cash, slay foes. What's your playstyle? Which budget beats your pick? Poco, OnePlus, or Samsung? Drop it in the comments.